In this video I'm going to show you guys how to limit comments on your TikTok posts. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you want to limit comments on your TikTok post, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started right now. So, first of all, go to your account on the bottom right corner. Then click on the three dots on the top right corner. Go to privacy and safety settings right here. Scroll down. You can see a lot of settings, but click on the one who can comment on your videos. Right here you can change to friends, no one, or everyone. I'm just going to change it to friends. And now only your friends can comment on your TikTok posts. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.